Xiaomi Poco M6 Pro. The phone has a straightforward design with a large display and a rectangular camera module. It is available in multiple color options, catering to different aesthetic preferences. The device sports a 6.79-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 1080 x 2460 pixels. It comes with various options for RAM and internal storage, expandable via a microSD card slot. The Poco M6 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 Ultra chipset. This processor is designed to handle everyday tasks efficiently, but may show limitations with more demanding applications or gaming. The phone features a dual camera setup with a 64MP main sensor and a 2MP depth sensor. The 5MP front camera is adequate for selfies and video calls, but lacks the detail and clarity found in higher-end models. The Poco M6 Pro is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery. This provides excellent battery life, typically lasting through a full day of moderate to heavy use. It includes a USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer, along with a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is becoming less common in newer models. Xiaomi generally provides regular updates, but the frequency and duration of support can vary. Discover the detailed features of this product by clicking on the link in the description. You'll be amazed by its unique features.